So we've seen laptops with detachable display, some with 360 degrees hinge, but have you seen one with an actual foldable OLED display? This is the ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED. The ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED is pretty much the first of its kind from ASUS, with its major selling point being the flexible OLED display. It comes in this beautifully shaped box which contains a Bluetooth keyboard, a 65W charger, and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. It also comes with this high quality leather case which makes it easy to carry around. The Zenbook 17 Fold OLED looks a normal laptop when folded, and when you open it, you can use it in laptop mode either with just the screen or place the Bluetooth keyboard on it, and it immediately adapts and becomes like a regular laptop. Sporting Intel's latest 12th Gen Core i7 processor. It has a kickstand at the back that allows you to take full advantage of this 17-inch display, and one of the most interesting things about it is that this foldable display is OLED. That is to say, it is super vibrant as we've come to expect from ASUS OLED laptops. You can also hold it like a book if that is something you'd like to flex. When we get foldables like this, we tend to concern ourselves with its durability. I mean, the screen literally folds. ASUS says it's built to withstand at least 30,000 fold cycles, which I say is pretty solid for something as big as a laptop. That is to say, assuming you fold and unfold this 8 times daily, that's about 10 years of use. The display can hold different angles when flexed, so it is not restricted to certain angles. One of the things that makes this device special is the portability. Imagine having a 17-inch display that folds. Imagine all that can be accomplished with this much display, and when you're done, you just fold it close like it was never there. We know how bulky 17 inches laptops can be. This one gives you all the screen real estate with all the power it needs, sporting 16 gigs of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. And like I mentioned before, it comes with Intel's 12th Gen Core i7 processor with Intel's Iris Xe graphics. It comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. It also gets a 75Wh battery and should give you upwards of 6 hours battery life. I've not had it long enough to give a verdict on its performance, as this is just my initial impressions. Hopefully, as soon as it becomes available, I can give a full review. This might retail for somewhere between $2,000 to $3,000 US. I am not sure, as this is actually officially launching today, or should have launched depending on when you're watching this video. If you ask me, I'd say the ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED is one innovative device. What are your thoughts on it? I don't think I'll get tired of doing this.